Oh hey, it's me, Matthew. Did you miss me? Oh, you did? Oh, you did? Well, I missed you too. You may be wondering, where have you been? Well, all I can say is something very special and very life-changing happened with my relationship. We broke up. Yeah, we broke up. So I've been really throwing myself into sewing lately. It's really the only time that I find I can really, truly relax and just turn my mind off. And I don't have to feel anything. Oh! So relaxing. So you can expect to see a whole lot more of me. Or maybe not. Because I've really yet to find my feet on this format. But on a more serious note, I've made a commitment to never buy new clothes again, which means I either have to thrift and alter or make from scratch any clothes I'm going to be wearing from here on. So my mediocre sewing skills better get ready, because I've really overcommitted myself on every aspect of this endeavour. So today's homemade clothes journey is going to focus on something really thrifty and unique, but also wearable. But of course, I'm the only one who's going to be wearing it. So who's to say where my line of what's wearable is going to be? I'll wear anything. Lower your expectations. Seriously, lower them. Now, I don't know if this is going to work. The project I've decided to do today is the totally comfortable and not at all icky conversation around underwear. Or as the French call it, I took Indonesian in school. Or as the Indonesian call it, I don't remember much. This video is truly going bite saja. I love underwear. It's like this crazy little barrier between your no-no bits and the clothes you show to the outside world. What's under there? Blue, pink, boxer, brief, trunk, day old, 5-day old, I'll never tell. Shh. Materials wise, all you need is some elastic and this shirt, which makes me look like some kind of very hairy 8 or 80-year-old. Neither of which is appropriate to wear to your sister's birthday, where you're going to have to justify your strange fashion choice to all your friends and family. I'm doing fine, okay guys? I'm fine. It's just a bad choice. You're also going to need a much more boring shirt to stop this from becoming a pure visual nightmare. The pattern I've made is pretty simple. It only involves 2 shapes. This kind of J-shaped baby sock and this other kind of fallopian tube looking fella. You could say this project is ovulating with promise. You see, the promise starts here and it comes down, I think. Do I not know how babies are made? Right, let's get to sewing. Two of them sewn together. The other 2 sewn together. Ah! Okay. Got it. Huh. business. Oh. I should not have chose black. Who chose black? And also a black t-shirt. So now we're at this part. And we've got to get out a very special friend. This is an overlocker. It's some kind of magical machine that cleans up all the raw edges of your material. I got this baby out of the hard rubbish, and I've never threaded it or turned it on before. So it doesn't sound like it's going to work. Right, let's get to threading. What am I doing? Right. It's much later in the day now. But it's all threaded up. Let's get it going, shall we? I need a break and a shower. That took far too long. It's all threaded up, ready to go. Shall we? It's exciting. Let's turn her on. It worked! Oh, ooh, that was scary. Oh, my. Maybe I should test it on a piece of something else first. Oh my god. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. It works! I really did not expect that. Holy moly! That works. What the? Look at that! Shocked! I'm in disbelief! Hell yeah! Let's do this. Now I'm feeling good. I feel good. I feel confident. I feel ready. Contain all this. Alright. This is a twin stitch needle. And it has two heads. And you know what they say, two heads is better than one. I just wish they told me that before I absorbed my twin in the womb. It's some kind of magical machine that allows you to do lovely straight stitches instead of hideous zigzag stitches on stretch fabric. What will they think of next? Using a few more scraps from that black shirt, I've made some bias tape, which is going to go around the bottom of our underwear. Now I've got two biases, this one and the one I have against the wealthy elite. Okay. Plastic onto the side. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay. And just like that, we're done. Can you believe how short that took me? Now I've just got to trim everything. And then I'll be back with the reveal. Wow. Now if you have a problem with seeing me in my underwear on the internet, me too. Anyway, here it is. Cannot believe this worked. Cannot believe it. I'm shocked. Cannot believe it. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Or maybe I won't, because as we both know, I haven't found my footing on this platform yet. Bye! Are we done yet?